Hello YouTube family, it's Janita back again with another video. Today I want to share with you some vegetables that I got off of my balcony garden, which I'm going to use to make some salsa. The only things that I did harvest from my balcony garden are the jalapeno pepper, the tomato, and the chives. So I'm going to make me some fresh salsa today to go with my bean burritos that I'm going to eat later on today. So just wanted to share with you guys, sorry for the glare, I just wanted to share with you guys my harvest from my balcony garden. Thank you and have a blessed day, and I'll be coming to your channel soon. You guys remember my sub schedule that I made in the days that I visit you, and if you have if you think you fit into any of the other categories in my sub schedule, please let me know in the comments and I'll make sure that I visit you on that day too. Okay, bye guys, thanks a lot, and thanks for supporting my channel. Bye now.